Check that out. A little bit of litter. I'll tell you what. People just don't care, do they? But we're here gonna forage some elderberries for elderberry syrup. But look at here, look at that cotton out there. Ain't that pretty? It's blooming right now. Akin to the mallow plant, cotton. Starting to form the bulbs. There's a flower right there. A lot of cotton down here, y'all, South Carolina. Fields everywhere. And look at that. What is that? More litter. Gee whiz. Okay, we're going over here on this dirt road where I'm foraging. I'm gonna show y'all some elderberry. But I want to show y'all something else too that looks like it, and not to get mixed up with elderberry, because you don't want pokeberries. I know y'all heard of pokeweed. Yeah, the pokeweed's all over in here with the elderberries. But look at here. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Elderberries. This is elderberries, y'all. And you can tell I want to get up on the crawly thing down here that's got fangs on it, so I'm trying to be careful. This is your elderberry leaves. Sambucus nigra. Sambucus nigra. Elderberry. As you look at the bark, hold on. I keep forgetting to do that so I can get y'all a good picture. You see the bark's kind of ridgy, and it's got little ridges on it of some kind of little spots and ridges, and it has kind of reddish streaks in it. And the closer you get to the tree, the more you'll see the spots on it. See? Spots on it. But it's loaded with some elderberries, y'all, just in time. Look at there. Lots of them. You gotta watch out for the bees, because they like them too. And the wasps. But I want to show y'all the pokeberries, because they look kind of like it a little bit if you don't know what you're looking for. And I don't know. I go down here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get a close up on it. But hey, look at the butterfly. Butterflies everywhere. Oh, deer tracks. Imagine that. A lot of deer down here too, y'all. Alright, look at here. This, I don't know if y'all can see it or not. There's pokeberries. And they hang in droops too, but they're longer droops. And then the poke leaves don't look like the elderberry leaves too much, if you know what you're looking at. But there's a big old big old pokeberry limb right there with berries on it. Yeah, you don't want them. No good. Poisonous. Now the pokeweed, you can eat the leaves when it's young and tender. You can boil them 2 or 3 times and make some good greens to eat. But other than that, now the poke root has some medicine. And one day I'm gonna get some poke root. These are some big poke bushes in here. I'm telling y'all. There's some blackberries. It's weedy, real weedy in here. And look at here. There's a pretty little flower, and that's called hummingbird vine. I tried to get some one time, little trumpet flower. Pretty. And that's some more right there. Might grab this one and give the baby. Give it to my Give it to my baby. She like that. Pretty orange and red. Here's some young pokeberries. I wanted to show y'all these. They were close. See the leaves? They look a little bit like elderberry leaves. You gotta be careful. Pokeberries, they have a stem like this. A long stem. See? With the berries on it. And this here's the difference between here's the elderberry leaves. Elderberry leaves kind of curl up a little bit and fold up like they're praying or something. You see? But when they're spread out like this, they look a little bit like the poke leaves, but these has got little sharp edges on them, ridges on the edge, and pokeweed ain't got that. So that's how you can tell the leaves. Plus the leaves don't fold up, and the leaves on the pokeweed are more tender. They feel more tender. The elderberry leaves are more waxy feeling and shiny with the edges. Yeah, that's the Sambucus nigra elderberry. Looking to get some berries, y'all. And I'll check this out. This is trumpet vine. Y'all don't want to mess with this. This is poisonous too. But they have some pretty flowers on them down here inside. But just wanted to show y'all. Plus the honeysuckle still blooming some. There's some honeysuckle. Y'all see that? Honeysuckle still in here. But I'm gonna get some elderberry, y'all. Get back with you. Happy birthday.